The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Te nagadao bangi dang lai shai ga sing in long shwai ga meeting hang ne ga jaka bangi strike nagadao ba hadin bangi la de long ye ga meeting hang ne in sa chong parkhat bat ngin sim ye ga rai ga ban leit nem leit ne ga ta la tip lai shai te nagadao bat ka ne ga jing ya khi jong i hang ne kum ga seng MC to da ga nyong ya trong bat ne ga sngi bla dap la saw sngi haduk menta ga sngi ni nagali yang jongi bat ni nang ya shong hang ne bat ni nang ya strike show ya gani jing strike ngin pat beng kan pat yo ya ga jing shai na ga tai gi factory na DC commissioner yang is jantia ngin pat beng ya gani strike hang ne aden na shai ngi la tip bat bun gi product ke jongi bakin ya wan shane bakin yo ban ya kren ban sli janai ba ya ka ta ke jing ya khi kajing ya strike i kumno banle hadir mangi layo ya gato gishiti bala ai deputy commissioner yangi dagat tanga hagane ga daw bangi la pelong ya gane ga jing persya ya gi kali simen bat ya gi kelengkar bat lado gitu gesi bangi la tip bat ngi la cipatai kubor bangi la pha ya ga kubor kam syai bat ngi dia dagal yang gaseng jongi kum ga jantia unit wala sim ya gane ko senjam ban persya jur ya gi tai gi simen ya kita gi kelengkar bayo i ya gi lawe jong gi khon gi jongi bat hagane ga state Meghalaya yongi bakaman go state Meghalaya lado bakang ke NGT yo duyong hagato ko por snem arajar khat lai teman go gani go pete ko bam don kam don jam bat ado bawan bat ngila do ya gi jing kerdok kam gi khon samla jing ko bacia ha go mla patai shu ado ba im bandi drog bandim gajing im gua kebun gi kena bala don gajing pulai putih haga no gono gajaka bakim yo ban trei ban kata bom yo ya gajaka ban trei support office na kata kadam ban si ngi kum giri rong ba kum gi trai trok ngi leo i bat dadu ngi babuk kali bangi hangne mai lap khet ya gi kali jongi tangam ai ngim la ban siu na kadau bom yo kamai show bat kini ki company leo i lado ba wan gi shane ngilong kum kinong tongum ngi gibriu gis jongga state Meghalaya jongi baro kowe nagata kadau imban se ngishim ya gani ga sentrat sim ya gani ga senjam bangin yai sakhaman bat ladu gani gi por beladep sabathai kubor ngi leo i ngi le persya ya ga wei bo news ne maladep ya ga tu gi kok nagata kadau dan naga hado mentang singi ngele strike bat mentang imdai syuk yukuk ni strike no yo kelengkar yo semen dan lajia bakim la ban ai lai garai ko ba lai syai bangin syong perkat janai lai kijia ke umla ngikum gaseng ni ban continue ban strike hagane ka jaka nginum bang Langi syong si benai lap syong la ong sisnem lagi ap syong. Hapeni ya ke kamba ke jongi kum kitrai try meluk hagane ke caka. Na kata ngakerpat ya wer bat kumjo ya giri rong ba gibadon kali bat kebadon kun badon kti kibat tray haga jakpo ginong ya kali ngi khot sabai pi barok giseng. Ni nemong do ke MC Tuda ban yo ya gani gaji kamai gaji bat ngi khot ya wer pi tray lang ban ngi. Daga mesim gajing snaurit daga mesim gajing snau jamnot ngi khot ya pi kum kinong yalam wan syangi ban ya snok ti ban yo ban ya tray dam ta gajat ban riu go jongi po state mikhala laya ga jongi